In my videos, I will show you how to draw the Disney characters you are seeing now, as well as other cartoon characters. First, see how I bring it all together to create. Utilizing Timmy Turner from Nickelodeon's The Fairly Odd Couple, you will see my process of how I create and present my drawings. I start with a freehand drawing, trying to do my best, but not worrying too much at this time of how the lines look. This demonstration is at many times the actual speed I am able to draw. As the years passed, I began to experience the aging effects on my ability to draw compared to when I was much younger. The time to complete a drawing increased, and my fingers became more stiff, resulting in shakier lines. I thought, if I am to teach my friends to draw, I will come up with a process to use to complete the drawing in a timely manner, have the lines cleaned up as much as possible, and presented in a way that is visually appealing. As a result, I turned to technology, not being AI, to create an overlaid hand on my final cleaned up, more steadily presented lines. So, my friends, I start by either using a crossbar or a 9-block grid to help me draw the lines of the characters as needed. After I have a rough sketch, this one being a bit exaggerated for demonstration purposes, I upload it to my computer. I can now take all the time I need to use these lines as a guide and digitally draw over them with a wider line path, while correcting any stray out-of-bound lines. I am just using Timmy's head to save time and show a more detailed example. I then remove all the unwanted lines, cleaning up the picture. The drawing is then presented to you digitally with a hand tracing over the lines of the drawing, or just with the lines so as to not to obscure the vision. When you follow my drawings as presented in contrast to the grids, your picture will look extremely similar. That is why I needed to create my drawings to the highest level I could achieve for you to start off with. The image is then colored utilizing computer graphics and presented to my friends. It is only when I achieve a picture to the best of my ability that I can feel comfortable presenting it to you. Thank you for watching.